wheels on the bus go round and round all through the town. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town.
The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish.
All through the town. Driver on the bus says, move on back, move on back, move on back. Driver on the bus says, move on back, move on back, move on back. Driver on the bus says, move on back, all through the town, all through the town. Yay! What?
Again?
You said one more time.
You
You said one more time, Lark. How many times? Two.
Oh my
We
gosh.
did two
We
already.
did so much of this last night.
We did two already, Lark.
Larkin, can we be excused? No? Soon?
Oh, dear. We were here like half an hour last night.
I think we got perfected, Larkin.
I know.
That's as good as it's going to get.
We're already moved from the parking lot.
Yeah, we're in the parking lot. We got out of the bus. We got out of the bus.
Can we get off the bus yet?
Oh.
We're in the parking
We're in
lot?
the parking lot? Oh.
Oh, gosh.
Gosh.
Oh.
We're not
We
getting
can't
out?
get out yet? You're sorry?
Are you sorry? Okay.
Huh.
Oh, dear.
Do we have enough gas?
She trapped us.
Oh, my
no.
gosh.
We're going to run out of gas.
Oh.
Let's go get You're pretty clever.
You are.
You got an answer for everything, don't you? We're out of gas, so we better go get some, huh?
I guess one more
Yeah.
round.
Okay, we'll go get some gas.
The wheels on the bus go round and round.
Round and round, the wheels on the bus go round and round.
We're going to stop the music.
Oh,
Why?
Should we go get some gas?
we have to get gas?
Okay, I'll be right back. We'll get some gas for us.
Okay, hurry.
Oh, I better go help. Should I go help him?
We're up.
Some gas here. Go fill it up, Larkin.
Oh.
Will you help? This isn't gas?
Gas might be like lemonade.
So do you like her new thing?
Yeah, really.
You must be very jealous that you're not here.
I am. I am. I love to go to the gas station.
Oh my gosh.
Glug, 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 glug.
glug, 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 glug. Oh, your tank's full.
It's full.
Two gas? Here's one. I'll go get another.
Did you pay money for it? Get your money? Okay. Oh, is that an ice cube? It's only water.
Oh, but it's gas.
Oh, there's some more gas.
Oh,
Glug, 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 glug.
glug, 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 glug.
That's the last thing I do is fill this up with water.
Yeah, right. Sometimes you have to pretend.
Okay. I think we're ready to drive again, right?
Ready?
Okay.
that chair.
Yes, they're right here.
Oh. They're going.
They're the passengers.
Yeah.
They got thrown down the stairs.
Oh. They must have a headache.
Yeah. They said, ouch. Yeah. Glug, 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 glug. Okay.
Huh?
Oh, every seat got gasoline. Yeah. Every seat. There. Okay. Shall we get going?
Okay.
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 Cue music. Should we cue the music, Larkin? No. No? Oh, okay.
Oh.
Now should we cue the music?
Okay.
Cue the music. Oh, you don't want the music? We're just going to get gas without any music?
You don't look pretty stupid sitting there, you guys.
Okay. You ready?
Okay.
Take your shoes off.
Oh.
Well, careful, Cookie. You might get run over.
Yeah.
We don't have gas though. She couldn't get run over.
We filled it all up.
Oh, that's right. Why are we
Yeah.
getting more than?
Lots of gas. Cook.
So what? It's gonna fill up. Oh, it doesn't fit
Oh,
under.
thank goodness for that.
She'll pull her stool over to this thing.
I think I better give a report. She's trying. Okay. We're ready now? Yeah. Because everybody wants to get going.
Okay.
Okay.
So the music now?
What? We're
We
finished
just sit
getting
here
gas.
then? Well, didn't we already do that?
We have a lot of gas now.
Because I might just go, get off the bus while you fix the gas situation then.
Yeah, I'm going to get off the bus and start walking. What? What? Oh,
We each get one?
I get one. Not the driver.
They're in a box
The driver have one.
getting gas.
Oh, thank you.
Pretty stupid sitting there.
How many are you going to have?
Oh, thank you.
And you, okay.
Oh,
Ready.
all right.
Ready.
Round and round,
Again?
We don't need any.
Why do we not have music on when we get gas?
They just loosen for the stupid.
Hey.
So, okay, we're going. Are we
Okay.
there? Are we there yet?
Oh,
Okay, we're going.
go. Okay.
You have to untie.
Oh.
You're sorry? Oh, I can't have a bear anymore?
Oh my gosh.
Are we there yet, Luckin?
Yes.
We are?
Yes.
Hey, we were there.
Oh,
Oh, we're not there yet.
no, we're not.
We're gonna get
Where are
there.
we?
We're going to gas.
Still?
We should have suggested the gas.
Yeah.
Can we go get some?
How long can we get some?
Let's go. And I know.
Okay.
Let's get going down the road.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can we go get some French fries?
Okay, we have to drive there.
Can we have music when we go get French fries?
Okay.
She really wants to go get some French fries.
Good going, Brian.
Oh, yeah,
Going
yeah.
in her
She's
truck.
pretty smart. She's like, yeah, that's a
Did you
good
get-
idea. Screw
do
this
you have
bus
your
game.
French-
Let's go get some
Do
French
you have the
fries.
French fries now?
What?
How about some scrambled eggs?
So are we done with fire truck and the bus?
Oh, we're done.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay. Let's
We
go.
gotta go French fries now.
I think we're going to get some French fries.
Brian better go too.